guys, in this video, I will show you how to play chess on Duolingo. So, let's start the video. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. When the app opens, you will see the main learning screen where you usually continue your language lesson. Now, look carefully at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you will notice a small icon that shows the flag of the language you are currently learning. For example, if you are learning Spanish, you will see the flag of Spain. Tap on that flag icon. After you tap on the flag, a new menu will appear on your screen. This menu will show several options related to the languages and features available in Duolingo. From these options, look for the chess option. Once you find the chess button, tap on it to continue. Now, Duolingo will open a new section related to playing chess. Before you start playing, Duolingo may ask you a few simple questions. These questions are to understand your current level of knowledge about chess. One of the questions might ask how much you already know about chess. You might see options like beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Choose the option that fits you best. After that, Duolingo might also ask where you would like to start. You can either choose to begin from the very basics, or you can let Duolingo recommend a suitable starting point for you based on your answers. If you are new to chess, it's a good idea to start from the beginning so you can learn all the rules step by step. Once you have answered these questions, Duolingo will load the chess learning interface. From here, you can begin learning how to play chess in a fun and interactive way. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.